DesignerLogic offers a stopwatch to help you keep track of your time on the fly as you work on projects all during the day. To access it, simply come to the time tracking section and click on the stopwatch link in the upper right. Click Open Stopwatch, and the stopwatch form will appear. Click the Start button when you start working on a project. Leave the Finish button blank so that you can click on that when you're done with this particular log. Select the project that you want to enter it on. Select the item it might be about. Choose the sales code from your sales code list. Enter a description. And then come down here and make sure everything else is how you want it to be, whether it's billable or not. And then instead of clicking finish because you're not finished, you just started working, just hit the minimize button and that will minimize the stopwatch to your dock. And then go ahead and do your work and say in 20 minutes when you're finished, just come down to the dock, click on the stopwatch to bring it back up and just hit finish and then hit submit time. And what that's going to do is that's going to enter the time in your time log and refresh so that now you can start on another project if you want to or another task and fill this out and minimize it. And then when you're ready to finish that task, bring it back up, hit finish, fill out the rest of it and save it. And when you're done completely, just hit cancel close. And when you refresh your time log, you'll see right here that time log showed up in your main list. So the stopwatch, you can click on time charges all day on and off as you work. And you can also access the stopwatch from the project page. If we go to a project dashboard, so we're in the time section for this particular project. If you click stopwatch here, it will open up the same form and you can just simply start working from there.